Welcome to FAD Tutorial. Let's make this Lego brick design in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new part, okay. Then select the top plane, sketch, select the center rectangle, smart dimension 31.8 and 15.8. okay. Go to the feature, extrude base 9.6, close. Then select the top plane, sketch, select the circle, make it 2 circle like this, select both circle, make it equal. Smart dimension, okay, 4.8 and draw a center line like this and make it horizontal. Smart dimension between these two is 8, okay, and the distance from here to here is 3.9 and the distance from here to here is 3.9. okay. Select the array entities, linear sketch pattern like this. The quantity is 3 and the distance between each is 8 mm and make the quantity 4, close. Go to the feature, extrude base 1.8. then select the bottom plane, sketch, draw a center rectangle again, okay, and this convert entities, okay. Smart dimension, the distance from here to here is 1 and the distance from here to here is 1, okay. Go to the feature, extrude cut, select the, here you have select the inner center like this. The dimension is 8.6 and okay. Then select this plane, sketch, draw a 2 circle, make it equal, draw a center line, smart dimension from this is 8, okay. The distance from here to here is 3.9, the distance from here to here is 3.9, okay. Select the linear sketch pattern, make it 4, select both and the distance is 8, okay. Go to the smart dimension, that this is the dimension is 2.6, okay. Go to the feature, extrude cut 1.7. then select this portion, sketch, draw 3 circle, select these 3 and make it equal, draw center circle like this and also make it equal. Smart dimension, the distance from here to this end is 7.9 and the distance between these two is 8. Okay, smart dimension, this is 5.6 and this is 4.8. Go to the feature, extrude base, and blind up to surface here, and OK. Select this portion again, sketch, draw a center line like that. Go to the offset entities, make it 0.5 and bidirectional. OK. Select this section and convert entities. Select the line and like this, line again like this. Go to the trim entities and delete post portion and delete also this portion. Go to the feature, extrude base, and I need it into 6.3. OK. Now almost all shape done. So select the sketch again. So select the corner rectangle like this. OK. Smart dimension, this is 0.6 and this dimension is 0.2. OK. Smart dimension, the distance from this end to this end is 3.9. OK. Select the center line like this. Mirror entities, so select this all, mirror about, and OK. Select the center line again like this. Mirror entities, mirror about. OK. Then same, draw a corner rectangle here, smart dimension 0.2 and 0.6. OK. Corner rectangle again, smart dimension 0.6 and this is 0.2. Smart dimension, the distance from this end to this end is 8. OK. The distance from here to here is 3.9. OK. Then draw a center line again here like this. Go to the mirror entities, OK. Mirror about, OK. Then mirror entities again, 2, 3, 4, mirror about. OK. Go to the feature, extrude bases, and blind into up to surface. This is surface, and OK. So our logo bricks design is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.